In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Passkey in Yahoo Mail. To start, you need to open Yahoo Mail on your device. This is the first step in a process that will enhance your account security. As you do this, you'll see the familiar Yahoo Mail interface filled with your emails and other features. Opening Yahoo Mail is simple, but this step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. You will be able to navigate through your emails seamlessly once you are logged in. If you encounter any issues, just make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, you will tap on your profile icon. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you tap it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various account options. Accessing your profile is important because it allows you to manage your account settings effectively. By clicking on your profile, you are taking the first step towards enhancing your account security features. It's a straightforward action, and you can easily return to your inbox after this step. From there, click on Manage Your Account. This option will take you to a more detailed view of your account settings. Here, you can manage everything related to your Yahoo Mail profile. You will see various options that allow you to customize your account and improve its security. Selecting this option shows that you are serious about managing your account effectively. It's a simple click, but it leads you to important security settings that are vital for protecting your information. Now you will open Account Security. This section is key to managing how you log into your Yahoo Mail. Once you click on it, you'll see several options that relate to your account security. This is where you can see your current security measures and make necessary changes. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area of your account. Taking the time to manage your account security will help keep your information safe from unauthorized access. Next, scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Add More Ways of Signing In. You will notice various options listed here that can enhance your login experience. This step is significant because it allows you to integrate additional security measures, making your account much harder to breach. By scrolling down, you are preparing to add a new layer of security, which is essential in today's digital world. After that, click on Create Passkey. This action will initiate the process of setting up your passkey. Once you click it, a prompt may appear asking for permission to proceed. Creating a passkey is a modern way to secure your account, replacing traditional passwords. It's a step forward in ensuring that your account is not only secure, but also convenient to access. If prompted, click Allow. This permission is necessary for Yahoo to proceed with creating your passkey. You are now taking an important step towards modernizing your account security. Allowing this action is straightforward and will enable you to leverage the new Passkey feature effectively. It's a quick confirmation that ensures you are ready to finalize the setup. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This can be done using your fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN. This verification step is crucial as it confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account. It adds a layer of security, ensuring that no unauthorized person can create or access your passkey. Once you complete this verification, you will feel assured that your account is well protected. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the process of setting up your passkey. Each instruction is designed to help you configure your security measures effectively. Paying attention to these prompts ensures that you do not miss any important steps. You will feel accomplished as you follow these instructions, knowing you are enhancing your account security. Finally, click Done. This action confirms that you have successfully set up your passkey. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved. This moment is rewarding as it signifies that you have taken significant steps to protect your Yahoo Mail account. With your passkey set up, you can enjoy an added layer of security that makes logging in both secure and convenient. Congratulations on completing this process.